Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Little short video about rearranging your pages. I brought up my teaching class from Las Vegas from last year, and I've got all these different pages, and some of them I haven't got them filled in or missing. But let's say I want to talk about this subject before page 10. I want to do it on like page 3. If you will just left click your mouse and bring it down to 3, now your colors is page 3 and the contour is 10, keyboards is 11. Let's say so you have to go, I'm pretty sure, well, you can go left to right or right to left. But if you want to, I want to move the keyboard to page 4, I can just kind of cover up page 4. It moved page 4 to page 5, which is a well tool. So you can this will be very helpful for me in years to come. Like if I want to clone something and, this is my clone. And if I go like that and there's the clone, and I want to talk about that early in my session, so I'll make sure I get it in, I can just rearrange my pages just by moving them around. Before I knew how to do that, I would ironically, I would cut and paste and move this off the page. But this is very helpful to rearrange your pages. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.